Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Ajw Ux60 Sf. This is a satin stainless steel soap dish, recessed obviously. You're going to see this sort of soap dish in hotel, motel sorts of applications. You'll even see these in residential applications as well. Features a removable plastic tray. Snaps into the bottom there, and I'm going to snap that off so we can get a closer look at the stainless unit itself. It's held on with a couple of posts in the front that I'll show you. A plastic tray. The plastic tray can be purchased separately as well. There's a link below this video to the item where you can buy that. We'll talk more. You know what? Let's just talk more about that now. Some people say, hey, I need that plastic tray only. Can you tell me what the dimensions are? Happens all the time because they've lost it, quite frankly. So overall width of that tray only, about 5 3/16. Overall depth, 3 inch. Height of the face, 1/2 inch, meaning the height of the lip here. Okay. So we'll add that to the dimension on the back. Looks like about 13/16. Okay, so about 1 5/16 is what we're looking at there. Okay. Those snap points, center to center, about 2 13/16 from here to here. Okay. Now the stainless steel unit itself, you've got those 2 posts you can see in the front there. 22 gauge satin finish stainless steel. The Ux60 is representative of what this is, a recessed soap dish. The SF stands for satin finish. If you change that to a BF, of course you'd be talking a bright finish. There is a link below this video to the product brochure, which is very handy. It shows this and AJW's sister products to it, and it's coming up on page 3 is where this is. It's not pictured. The one that's pictured is the 61, which features the cloth bar, the bar across here. The 60 is the same unit without that bar. So that's a handy document so that you can review the other sister products to this to make the best informed decision, especially if you're doing something new in terms of installation. There's a link also below this video to what's called the tech sheet. That shows everything important dimensionally about the item. Let's go over that now. It's 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. The overall depth of the unit, they're coming up with 3 1/2. And I'm looking at the item saying that can't be possible, and it certainly is not. The overall depth of this unit is going to be about 1 3/4. That's what this is. 1 7/8. Okay, so that 3 1/2 is not accurate. Rough opening, that's the important part. You can tell that there's a problem there. Their rough opening is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 by 2 inch. And this is 1 7/8, so that 3 1/2 is incorrect. One piece fabricated stainless steel. Features a couple of screws, which are also stainless steel for attaching. Obviously with this, you'll have a couple of holes here, and you're going to want to go right down to a stud or something that you have blocked there for installation. You can order the B clamp with this as well. And the B clamp is it is a piece of typically of galvanized steel, galvannealed steel, that will contour around the back side of this. You would slip it into the wall first and get a couple of holes with machine screws, and you would tighten them up. And as you tighten the screws, it would draw the clamp to the back of the wall. That's how you would be able to attach that to the wall. Installation: provide a wall opening at desired or specified area and coordinate with contractor or architect to avoid interference with pipes, vents, etc. Secure unit and wall opening with proper fasteners and or clamps required per each installation. Okay. Again, that tray just snaps in there. It's made to come out so that you can obviously clean the unit inside. Okay. AJW is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things commercial restroom related. I wouldn't hesitate to use their products personally, and I wouldn't hesitate to suggest that others use their products. I find that their customer service is significantly above average, incredibly responsive. The quality of the material per dollar spent is exceptional as well. I wouldn't hesitate to use them. Any questions on the AJW UX60 Sf satin stainless steel soap dish, recessed, or any other AJW product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.